Hello everyone, Behzad is here from Code Simplifier. Welcome back to another video how to developing your tip calculation application using Kotlin languages in Android Studio. In today's video, we are about to transfer our project into GitHub. The first thing we need to do is we have to download Git into our operation system. Then we are about to creating an account on GitHub, and then the last step, we are going to sync our Android Studio project into GitHub, and then we will be able to push our project into the GitHub repository. I am in a GitHub main page. So as you see here, github.com. And the second one is I have done a Google search. I just wrote download Git. And whenever you just click on download, this is what you will see from your Git. Based on your operation system, you have three options. Either is Windows, Mac, or Linux. So I have a Windows operation system. Just I click on Windows, and downloading it is based because I've already have Git on my system, then I cannot download it again. But I will just go through it. Based on your system, either is a 32 or 64-bit, you can download it. And I will explain to you what is Git in a second, so you'll understand why you have to download Git and why you actually need Git onto your system. Before explaining Git, what is it and what is about, you have to remember you need to make sure you are understanding where you are going to download or execute or install Git on your system, because later on, whenever we're going back to our project, we have to understand where is the destination, then we can link it to our system. That's it for that. And if I want to explain Git, it will be similar to a bridge between your project and a GitHub. So GitHub is where is your source code is going to be. Android is your destination, which is your project staying, and Git will be a connection between those two from the system and a GitHub. Once you download your Git, go back to your GitHub, and here is we are about to create an account. Creating an account on GitHub is simple. It's similar to any website. You have to just go to sign up page. You need a username, an email, a password. And once you created an account, then you will receive a confirmation email. You have to just activate your account. And then once you activate it, you can sign into your account. Whenever you log into your Git account, this is what you will see. Basically, because you do not have any repository yet, it will be empty to the left hand side. Because you do not follow anyone, this section will be empty again. And here on your top right corner, you can have an access to your account. Then you can modify your account. That is not our priority for this video. I just wanted to let you know what you can do in your GitHub account. So now we download our Git. We created an account on GitHub, and now it's time to sync our project into our GitHub account. Go back to your project on your Android Studio. On top right corner, you see File. Just click on File, come on your setting, and once the window is open, on your left tab bar, you'll see a version control. Just expand that version control and scroll down. You will see a Git and GitHub. The Git, we have to make sure, this is where I told you, you need to remember where you are going to install the Git on your system, because now we need that pathway to make sure our project is synced to Git. So just click on Git, and here you just choose where you install your Git, and once you found it, just click on test. And whenever you're testing it, something should come up as successful. So because I've already synced it, so I didn't get a message, but you will get a message if you are going to install it for the first time. Once you created the account, next step is we have to again come to the toolbar, and the third one from right, you see VCS, which stands for version control system. Once you go to VCS, just come down as import into version control. Then you have a create a Git repository, and here you will see a menu. So this menu shows you where the account or where the project is, basically the address for the project. Then you just click on the project, my tip app, click OK. Now you'll wait for it. You will see a Windows here, and as you see, if you open up, you see all your files turn to orange. That means we create a repository on Git, and now we are ready to transfer these files or this project onto Git. Everything is ready now. The next step is we have to come up below your toolbar. You see the name of your application. Just right click on that and then just come down until you see Git. The file expanded. Just go to your add, and now you are adding this project onto the Git and ready to transfer. Now everything turned to green. Once everything is ready, come back again on your toolbar, version control system. Just go down to import into version control, and here you see a share project on GitHub. Just click on share on project. Repository name, leave it as it is. Leave it as public. If you tick this one, it will be private. That means whoever you get permission to can have access to your application or your source code. But because of sake of this video, we just leave it as public. So leave the name as it is. Remote is going to origin, and share by, this is the name of your email. And once you click on share, and here a window comes up and asks you what file you want to be transferred onto the GitHub account. Here everything's ready to transfer. Just click on add. So as you see, I got a message, successfully shared project on GitHub. That means the file has been transferred onto my GitHub account. Now I'm about to go to my GitHub account and check if the project has been loaded. So refresh the page, and as you see here, my tip app repository has been added 37 seconds ago. So just in recap of what we've done, we download Git on our system, and the Git is a bridge between your project and a GitHub as a giant resource holder. Then we created an account on GitHub. So GitHub, it will be your gigantic hard drive, which you can transfer your files on it and you can share it with whoever you want. And third, we just imported our project onto Git to the bridge, ready to transfer, and we transferred our project onto GitHub. And one thing before I forget, I have to mention is whenever you are going to share this project, in the last step we took version control system, import and share on project, you may get an error, and I cannot clearly remember what type of error you will get, but I'm pretty sure you will face an error whenever you're going to share the project on a GitHub for the first time. And if you do get that error, please make sure you are just letting me know and share the error. Then I will give you the tip for it. But for now, I don't have it on top of my head, and I wouldn't be able to help you out, unfortunately. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as per usual, if you do have any question, please make sure you write it down in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And in our next video, we are going to teach you how you can import the project from your GitHub into your Android Studio, do your changes to it, and transfer the new version file onto the GitHub again. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I will catch you all later.